Hello, Lord of the Rings Hobbit fans and fellow YouTubers. Alfred Price here. Welcome back to the Middle Earth Collector channel. Today I have another statue I'd like to show you, and it is Pippen, Guard of the Citadel by Sideshow Weta. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let's get right into it, and I'll show you right out of the box here. Well, actually, I'll show you the art box here first. Pretty cool. I like this art box. And this is another statue I got from Ben Shank. Thank you, Ben. Let's open this up here now. Pretty cool. This is at the end of where he becomes Guard of the Citadel in Return of the King. When they come up to Minas Tirith, he becomes the guard there. And he becomes Guard of the Citadel by Denethor. And well, Farmer was there too. Pretty cool statue. There we go. Very carefully. Yes. There we go. Set this over here. And it's another statue by Brigitte Wooist, and this is number 1198 of 2000. Show you there. Pretty cool. And it looks like he's on this base here. It looks like he's on the steps coming down or going up. And it's Pippen here. I believe this is a 1/6 scale again. And let's see here. Second here, make sure that goes on properly. These things, some of these are always sometimes hard. Oh, there we go. And any more there? Oh no, that's it. Just a simple statue. I'll show you some close-ups real quick here. Just an overview of what he looks like. And it looks like he is like coming to see Gandalf, and he at the part where it comes up with Gandalf and the Witch King of Angmar, where he Angmar Witch King gets the flame sword, right at the end there. Really, really cool. So I'll show you some close-ups now of this great statue. So here's Pippen. Show you some close-ups. You can see what I mean. He looks like he's really, really scared, as if he's scared by the Witch King of Angmar. And you can see it, and look at the chainmail on this. This is really, really nice. And then his arm leather, the leather pieces on the arms, and then the front, the White Tree of Gondor, right down to his, even the chainmail on his legs, his hairy feet. Very, very cool. And here's his sword. Just the overall, this is an awesome piece. You can see what I mean there. Looks scared out of his mind there. And then his cloak, weathered down as it was when he was on his travels there. You can see his scabbard there. This is a really nice piece. I really like this. Even his hair, all the little details even the hair has on him. That's pretty cool. Very, very cool. Oh, and then you can see his elven brooch. And, oh yeah, and then I just noticed that now he has his satchel on his right side. That's pretty cool. I like that too. I don't know what he would put in there, maybe a book or, oh. Now if you can see that, see the White Tree of Gondor on that satchel there. That's pretty cool. That's really cool. Oh, I really like this piece. I really like that White Tree of Gondor in the front there. Sideshow and Weta. This is really nice. And that is Pippen, Guard of the Citadel. I hope you guys enjoyed this statue of Pippen, Guard of the Citadel. And I really like this. This is really, really cool statue from Sideshow Weta. Comment down below what you guys thought of him. Like and subscribe. Have a great day. See you in the next video. And stay tuned for more upcoming videos.